Good morning, dear friends. This is our new channel Zero to Infinity, and this is the journey with Praful Dabi. This is our legal disclaimer. Dear friend, good morning. My name is Praful Dabi. This channel Zero to Infinity shall cover all the dimension of the life as its name describes. Bird cheapers as their wish and the bliss. Poet expresses himself in their poems. Similarly, the truth of my heart shall be expressed by this channel. Utopia or the Eden Garden is the ideal world for the humans. I too want to contribute to make this earth more beautiful. I am expressing my thoughts powered by freedom of will given by the Almighty God and the freedom of expression given by the Indian Constitution, Article 19A. It is my humble request that if you find useful thoughts in this channel, kindly work on it. If you feel comfortable, then spread it. If you find difficulty in digesting the thoughts expressed in this channel, then you are very free to close this channel immediately. No one on this earth is compelling you to see, like or subscribe this channel. Hence, I am not available for any legal proceedings of any nation. I will try my best to not hurt any heart, but if it happens by any means, I feel sorry in advance. I am in job nowadays, hence bound by many rules and regulations. Hence solemnly promise that this channel is not for any kind of the economical benefits. If it happens, then that economical benefit shall be donated. At last, I feel sorry once again for the above written, boring yet very important things. Come, let's try our the best to make this earth more beautiful and worthy. Thanks, let's go together. Uh, in this channel, we will talk about any kind of the dimension on this earth from the zero to infinity. But now this is the time of the corona, and we have to think more about the application portion of our many of the concepts. Uh, and this corona series will comprising of near about 5 to 6 episodes. What should we know first? Science or the technology? Science is very useful for us, but the technology discovers the uses of the science. There are the many thousands of the applications can be there for the one of the scientific concept. That's why we have to use first the applications of the our concept to cure the corona. First we will discuss about the Lord Buddha's theory, that what is more important. Once what happened that a arrow has hit a bird, and then what is more important for us? Life of the bird is more important, or the philosophical questions are more important, like the color of the arrow, who did it, when he did it, or treatment of the bird is more important for us. That's why we will first talk about how to cure the humanity from the corona. This is the present condition of the world. 14.56 millions are infected, and the 607K people are died from the corona. Out of control in many of the countries, it is increasing day by day, and peak is yet to come in the 7.8 billion populated world. There are the economical problems, labor problems, panic in the people, pressure on the medical infrastructures, and so many problems due to the corona. This is the present treatment scenario. No foolproof solution with the medical science. Vaccine or the medicine may come in some of the time or may not come like the ads. Maybe with some side effect also, because the side effects will be discovered after some of the month. That's why the hit and trial methods are going on by our medical industry, and yet the preservable efforts are going on in almost all the countries. Oxford University has been done uh, many good efforts, and it is very astonishing to know that the Russian billionaires took the vaccine in the April 2020 itself. Then what to do now for the common people of the world? First thing, prevention is better than cure. Individual is to take care for himself and his family, etc. Situation is going beyond the control of many governments across the globe. You know everything like the social distancing, hand wash, mask, etc. Keep doing religiously. You do not have to take lightly these efforts. And there is one another aspect, cure from the spiritual science, which we will talk. use of the body electricity or the energy to prevent and the cure COVID-19. We know everything about uh, body electricity, but now time is to use it religiously and at the mega scale and for yourself only. As these are the technique which are very ancient and spiritual technique which are working for the with the body. That's why it will be work with all the human bodies, any kind of the nation, any religion, any race, any color, any age, any gender, or even no gender bodies can use this application and the concepts to cure corona and the COVID-19, whether he she is blind, deaf, dumb, or anyone who is the primary energy circuit. What is the meaning of the primary energy circuit? Torso to mind, without hands and legs. This is our primary energy circuit, and if it is available, then 99.99% you can cure himself yourself. Sorry friends, my English is not up to the mark, but my feelings can be expressed without language barriers, and the science is beyond the language. That's why kindly bear with me. I will try my the best to convey my language and the thoughts and the express with you. And as we know that the one picture summarized thousands of the word, that uh, and the ancient world, how we understand the ancient world with the pictures, with the art, with the paintings, and with the symbols. Similarly, we will use our primarily the English for the international episodes, and more and more figures, so that whether it is the Arabian person or the Israeli person, Jewish person or the Hindu or the Islamic person, anyone can use these concepts. And kindly forgive me for my not command in the English. This is our spiritual science application, Corona or the COVID-19 virus treatment. Corona-19 treatment methods based on the ancient spiritual science with the proper logics and the concepts. COVID-19 symptoms and the effects are first thing, fever, sneezing. These creates the problem in the breathing related to the human breathing system. Hence, the breathing techniques of the Indian yoga can help a lot. And this is requiring only the human body of any breed, any race, anyone. This is our first technique. We will discuss in the coming episode near about 7 to 8 techniques to cure the corona. This is the technique number 1. Do the Ujjayi breathing. It is called as a oceanic breathing or the victorious breathing, deeply, heavily, and for the longer duration, at least for the 3% of the daytime, means 44 minutes. Normally the 1% of our day comprising of the 14.4 minutes. That's why I am talking about the 3%. Try to longer hold the breath inside and the outside. And kindly Google or the YouTube it for the more details and the learning. And we from the developing countries normally face any kind of the problem in the Android or any kind of the technical issues, we normally do the Google. That's why if you want to learn more and more about the ancient techniques, that's why I am not describing it in the very complete manner. You can easily Android or the Google, YouTube it to know what is the meaning of it. Although we will see one small video to on the Ujjayi pranayam, and also we will see the logics behind it. You can do it for the ancient you can do for the ancient Indian yogic methods. One of the link is described here, and I will share it in the comment box also. And the effect will happen if you do it, because thousand of the things we know very well, but it is better if we know it and if we do on it. And let's see the Ujjayi pranayam. We have seen the usage, how to do the Ujjayi pranayam. By practicing it for the 44 minutes or the some of the times for the longer duration, we can generate the electrical energy of the body electricity, and we can if you are utilizing it for the breathing circuit, then it can be make the cure of the COVID-19. And why the Indian yoga? the control on the body electricity or the energy. It is the art of the conscious breathing, can be called as a breathology. By the Ujjayi breathing, because it is the deeply associated with the deep breathing. Why deeply? More the deeper breathing will be there, the more the quantum of the energy generation will be there, more pure, white and the positive energy will be generated, and the more positive energy means more immunity, and by this immunity we can heal our body. Why happily? Because the positive attitudes attract the positivity, and fake it until you make it. uh, for the longer duration effect of the 3 times is also there, but the cancer cannot be treated with a penny price headache tablet. That's why we have to do it for the some longer duration, because the corona 19 is a something disease. It has been very much fastly spread in complete world. That's why we have to take care of it. As and the why for the longer hold, more inner and the outer holding of the energy, the more retention of the energy inside us will be there, and it will be more beneficial. And the knowing is very good, but the doing is always better. And as we know that the Indian yoga is getting used by many of the countries in the world, eh, from the New York to China to Dubai to Taiwan to Arabian countries, because yoga is related with the body. The concept of the yoga is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. This means to cure every human body. If we are religiously doing it, its methods, then certainly we are able to cure many of the things, many of the deadly disease of present and of the future. And the Corona COVID-19 series episode will be continued, and in the next episode we will use more figure, so that I can be make myself understand in across the globe. And the Armageddon with the corona will be certainly win by the humanity, and our Titanic will be at last be in the peace, and Noah's Ark will touch the land finally. If there is any kind of the questions, doubts, feedbacks or the suggestions and the critics can be there, then it can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. Like anything, what do you mean by the energy or the body electricity? Whether you are from Homer Simpson are there, or the Sindbad Jahaji from the Arabian, or from the South Pole, whoever you are, I am always available as a friend for you. My language is slightly not good initially, because basically I am from the Hindi speaking country, but my intentions are very clear and pure, and I want to help you to cure the corona. And this is only one of the application. The future concept will touch almost every dimension of the humanity, and you will get benefited by that if you feel it, believe it and use it. And whether you are from the Minnie Mouse from the North Pole is there, you can easily talk to me at the rate at dabi.praful@gmail.com. And thanks you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and good day to you. Thank you very much.